So today we are working on a 240. There's a few problems with it that were there when we bought it, and one of the main problems was the radiator, and we just pulled the old radiator out.
Right here. It was busted right there.
Yeah, so that's where the cap screws on.
We're gonna have to take these rubber things here. But we got an aluminum one right here, fresh from eBay with electric fans. So we took the clutch fan out.
Oh, so you're not using that?
No, we're gonna get like 10 extra horsepower.
Oh yeah. So where do you plug it up to then?
The fans?
Yeah.
Well, we can either plug it directly to the battery, or I can buy a kit with a relay, which gets a signal from the temperature sensor on either the thermostat or the air conditioner, and then it just activates it on when it gets to that temperature. Or I could run a switch inside the car.
I think just switching battery, that's the way we'll go tonight.
Yeah, I might wire up the fans later, just so, because it's cold right now, so we don't really need them. But I want to do it like the right way, so I don't have to worry about it later.
Alright, so
right now, yeah, we're just gonna
go unbox that thing and drop it in there.
Yep. Oh, fresh styrofoam. Ooh, dang, that's heavier than I thought it would be.
Is that thicker than the old one?
Yeah, it is, like, way thicker. Wow.
Don't drop it.
What did I do with that razor blade?
You threw it.
This always happens.
Oh, somewhere over here. I don't know, whatever.
Oh,
That's crispy.
the welds aren't too bad, and that's like the only difference you get with like a Mishimoto or whatever, and then a Chinese like factory made one. But they don't seem too bad. If anything leaks, we could just TIG weld it up.
Yep.
It's no biggie. But yeah, dude, that's thick. Look at this. Compared to this, like the plastic kind of fools you, but really, look at the
Yeah, the
difference.
core is...
This is like a dual core, I think.
This is a good 1.5 inches, and that's probably 3/4.
Yeah, so
And just pop these off and drop her in there.
I guess so.
We should put the grommets on the bottom.
Nah, we'll just keep them in there.
Oh, are they in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Man, this is better than I thought. Weird washer right here.
So the front was actually in an accident. It's gonna go on a frame a bit later, but for now we just use a slide hammer to make some extra room. Here's the slide hammer.
Can't get it in the hole.
Just jerk it around,
Oh, there you go.
slide her in.
Good. That's it. Do you know where the brackets are?
Brackets are
Top brackets?
over here.
So it doesn't wobble around. We'll just leave it like that because we still got a full frame. I mean, I guess we could.
Why not just...
Look at that.
fits perfectly.
Man, I'm excited, dude.
This thing doesn't even need a frame right now. Frame job. Wow, that looks nice.
Yeah.
That changes the whole...
Dude, I think I can actually even keep the... Like, it has the holes for this, so I can actually leave this in here. It has these spots for the top of it too, so I can actually leave that, and I'll still have a fan.
Yeah, you should still have a fan.
So let's just...
Wait, is that an AC fan though?
It doesn't... It was on the radiator. Like, the clutch fan, I think it cools the motor, because it blows the air that way.
Can you still run a clutch fan with this though?
I probably could.
Let's try that.
Probably could.
And maybe wire the electric
The
fans
solid
later.
shroud.
Yeah, just for now, and then later go electric fan, just so it could work tonight. And do some donuts for you guys once this is on. Alright, we're just gonna keep working and film once we have progress. Alright, we have the radiator in, the fan shroud in, without the clutch fan.
You don't need it.
It's just a matter of time before it overheats, but whatever.